Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will discuss the app Designrr, which some may be familiar with, but overall it's still a fairly underused tool for ebook creation. So, let's dive in. Okay, first I'm going to show you the different file formats you can set each project you undertake to throw out at the other end of Designrr. First is PDF, which if you are producing a digital download like an ebook for Etsy or Gumroad, then this is ideal. The key strength of Designrr is the sheer number of options it has when it comes to templates for your various ebook projects. Now, there is a learning curve to Designrr, much like any other new software. Anyone expecting to drop a Word document in and have it come out perfectly formatted might be disappointed the first time. You need to learn the format required for each template by going through the example pages and ensuring your document follows the same heading and paragraph structure. This gets more complicated with the more intricate templates. However, most are straightforward. There are far too many to go through, but let's take a look at one template. Here you can see this one is called Splatter, and here it gives you an idea of what your pages will look like and the headings format requirements. The next format option is Designrr's Flipbooks. This converts a standard PDF into an interactive publication that feels like leafing through a physical book. They're built from a PDF and streamed from a web server instead of being offered as a download. Perfect for digital magazines, product catalogs, or image-driven ebooks, they immerse readers in the content. Optimized for smartphones and tablets, they ensure smooth, intuitive navigation and boost user interaction. The next format we will look at is Amazon Kindle. Designrr takes what for some is a difficult task and makes it relatively straightforward. As long as you take note of how the headings should be formatted as you can see on the screen here, then Designrr will do the rest. Here you can then see Designrr's editing screen, which is impressive in its own right. One word of warning though, Designrr works like a web page in terms of editing, instead of a Word document as some people might expect. In that respect, maybe you can argue Designrr suits people with blogging and/or WordPress experience. However, with that said, it doesn't take that long to get used to. The next format on Designrr is EPUB. EPUB was created by the International Digital Publishing Forum. EPUB is a digital book format that supports reflowable text, so content automatically resizes and wraps to suit any screen. By prioritizing the words over fixed page layouts, EPUB is the go-to choice for novels, fiction, and other text-focused titles, covering virtually all ebooks except those exclusive to Kindle. Here we will look at the smudge template as a visual. Again, it will take some pre-formatting to get the best results. Designrr's live ebook transforms a standard ebook into an interactive experience by letting you insert audio and video directly into the pages. This multimedia capability makes reading more dynamic and engaging. You can secure your live ebook with passwords and track how readers interact via integrated Google Analytics. By supporting embedded media, unlike static PDFs, this format is perfect for anyone looking to deliver a richer, more immersive ebook. Finally, let's talk about Designrr's pricing. The standard package costs $27, and they offer an incredible lifetime access at this rate and level. If you are just looking to publish straight ebooks to PDFs, then this is perfect. However, it won't cover you for Kindle. For Kindle publishing and to access premium templates, the cost is $97 a year, which is still reasonable. Perhaps where Designrr arguably lets itself down in the lack of mid-price tiering between price brackets. Designrr, for example, offers audiobook capability, but if you want to access it, you need to spend an additional $200 a year. A relatively expensive price when you consider other options like 11 Labs achieve the same objective for less, admittedly without the ebook functionality. Overall though, Designrr is a powerful tool for any aspiring ebook author. And if you are looking to master Kindle publishing, try our Kindle Direct Publishing video tutorial at rebootincome.com/shop. Thanks for watching.